today we're presenting this new product, the Sonox Fraunhofer Pro Codec, which is the result of a collaboration of Fraunhofer IIS and Sonox. We have been working on this for over a year, and today we're introducing it.
Thank you, Virgilio. I'm going to show you briefly the features, the main features of the Sonox Fraunhofer Pro Codec. I've got it inserted right now in a stereo track. That's where my main mix is. It allows you to listen or to do the comparisons between the input signal and the selected codec. We've got up to 3 codecs here, and we can select which one we are interested, and then click Master In and Out to compare with the original signal, with the non-compressed signal. Of course, I've got up to 4 different slots to insert any Fraunhofer Pro Codec that's available right now. Some of them for music, but some of them as well for post-production as well. So let's select this one. And one of the key features of the plugin is the fact that it allows you to listen not only to the encoded signal, but to what we call the diff signal. That's what you're losing during the encoding process. You just need to select this diff button here, and of course you can compare one codec from the other. Okay, you will notice that there's three LEDs here. The plugin is telling us that the encoding process is clipping, and not only that, it points out the amount, how high it went for any particular codec, but also it provides us with the means to correct that. We see 0.74. We have a gain reduction stage at the input of the process that we can compensate either by dragging directly on the little screen, or we can type the right amount for that. Okay, in its negative value, of course, and then start all over again by resetting the LED button. This way we are completely sure that this is not going to clip, which may happen if you have a really hot signal. We can take a look at the phase signals as well. What you're seeing here are the FFTs, of course. You see the red shades here, they are showing us the frequencies that will suffer compared to the other ones during the encoding process. That's what we call the NMR parameter, noise to mask ratio. And anytime we can select the codecs that we want to create a file for. So all we need to do is to select them, click record, and then the plugin will start writing for each one of them one file until we press stop, and then all we need to do is to go to the output directory and see, well, how all the files were created. We can obviously decide the output directory going in here, the export settings, and we can decide the name format. This is the generic name and its features that are going to go attached to it, and I can change the order as well. On top of that, I can edit the metadata that's going to go in the header of the encoded file and edit one by one all its files according to the ID3 standard. But this can be really tedious because there are thousands and thousands of parameters to be edited, so it might be wiser to use an existing encoded file and then import it and edit directly only the fields that we are interested in. And that's it.